Welcome back everyone. I'm really happy to have you here. In my previous video, I explained you how you can make your own a user snippet for yourself and how you can enhance your coding speed. But now the main question arises, can't we have more than one user snippet for ourselves? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. And in this video, I'll show you how you can achieve it. And in case if you missed how we can make a user snippet video, I've linked the video in the I button above. You can have a look at it. You'd be amazed to know that in order to make another user snippet, I just have to add a comma. But the main question which arises is where to add the comma. Let me show you how from the very beginning. Suppose I'm in one of my coding file. Now what I have to do, I have to go to the user snippet. Here is the user snippet. You have to just go to settings and you have to click user snippet. And we are creating user snippet for C++, so we'll be going to cpp.json. Here, now this is the code, this is the snippet that I had written in my last video in order to explain you how you can make your own user snippet. Now let me show you how you can make multiple user snippet. What I have to do, I have to add a comma over here, over this point. I'll just add a comma, and in the another line I'll make one more user snippet just in front of you. Suppose I want to make a user snippet which would display the element of all the arrays. What I have to do, it will display all the elements of array. Now follow me. Okay, now here is the curly braces, then I'll be adding the prefix. And always remember, what is prefix? Prefix is the trigger word. This is the word which you would be writing which would trigger the whole snippet that you have made. What is snippet? Snippet is a block of code. Okay, let's get started. I suppose I want to write the word disp, and it would indeed call all the code that is written over here. Then a comma, then I'll go in the body, and in the body I'll just get down, and then again I'll put the square brackets. Okay, not this one. And here I'll be starting writing my code, so it will be void display. It will take an array and it will take its size as well. A comma, I'll go to the next line. Next line I have to add the semicolon, then again comma, then I have to take one tab space. But if I'll be giving the tab space, then you know in my earlier video what happened. So instead of putting a tab space, I'll be giving 3 space bar space. I'll be giving 3 space, 1 2 3. Now I'll be writing for int I equal to 0, I smaller than size, and then I plus plus. Okay, for formatting I should do this as well. Okay, now again I'll add a comma, then 1 2 3 just for the orientation part, then 1 2 3 1 2 3 for writing inside the for loop. So now what I have to write is cout ar of I. It's again comma, then again 1 2 3, then I'll close the curly braces. And as we know, it is not required. If we are having only one statement in the for loop, we can even ignore the curly braces of for loop, but I'm writing it, no problem. Then again I'll be closing this as well. Okay, my part is almost done. Now there is a description part. In the description, it would be appearing whenever you'll be writing the triggered word, it would be appearing what it is meant for. So I'll be writing, this code will display the elements of the array. It's done. My work is done. Now I'll show you how it works. I have written a program already for this. So where it is, here you go. So I have taken an array of 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5, and I'll be calling the function over here display function, and before that, where am I going to use the user snippet? So here it is. I have to just write DISP and I have to press the tab. Here is the whole code that I wanted to write, and now it's written. I don't have to do anything else. I have to just run this program, and here you go. My array is printed. All the 5 elements are printed. I hope you understood how you can make multiple user snippets for yourself. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.